A strawberry jam cake. You've got a jar of strawberry. You need 1 cup strawberry jam. Got my measuring cup there. Looks like it's gonna be about half the jar. Yep, just a little bit more than half of the jar. Okay. So we get all that jam out of there. Okay, then we are going to take 9 tablespoons of sour cream.
9, wow.
Yeah. Okay, that should be enough. That's about 1/4 cup.
All right.
Okay, and then we're going to combine this. We're going to add in a stick of melted butter. We've already got our butter melted. Put that in there. I'm gonna need 2 eggs. Got a green one there.
Yeah, I like the green ones. Green eggs and ham. Favorite Dr. Seuss book.
Good old country eggs there.
Oh yeah, straight from Kentucky.
Okay, once you've got your wet ingredients combined up, you can see the strawberries in there. You're gonna add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna add about 1 cup to begin with,
Oh yeah,
just so it's easier.
kind
It's
of
not,
folded in.
yeah. Okay, now we'll add in the rest of our flour. We're also gonna add in 1 cup of light brown sugar. Now I'm gonna take it out of here and kind of sprinkle it where it's not hard and develop where it's hard for me to break it up. This must be gonna be I haven't made this before. I think it's gonna be a thick cake batter. Now we're going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of nutmeg, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. So it's definitely gonna be cinnamon flavor because I thought that was a little much.
Look at all them flavors.
And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna combine all this together. Okay, we got it all mixed up now. We're going to pour it into a 9 by 13 baking dish. Okay. Then just level it out into your baking dish. This smells like it's gonna be a really good cake. Okay. Bake this for 45 minutes at 350. Okay, we're gonna make the frosting for our strawberry jam cake. You take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of your strawberry jam.
My dad would love this. He loves strawberry.
Oh, strawberries are so good. Then we're going to take a half a stick of butter. It's soft and it's melted a little bit, but there's some of the plain butter at the bottom. Well, no, a lot of it melted. Okay, you're gonna combine this with your mixer. And then you're slowly gonna add in 1 pound of confectionate sugar.
A whole pound.
Whole pound. Set the confectionate sugar. Let it cool, and this will be your icing.
All right, let's take a look. Ooh. Yeah, that looks good. Let's bring it on over here. Kim had to go play with the grandkids, so I'm gonna finish this one out, y'all. That is looking good. Almost done. It's looking pretty good. Right here. Oh yeah, that was a nice clean cut. That's really good. The frosting definitely is what makes it